golden opportunity to introduce myself to you. I'm Dr. Getnet Below. By liberating my PhD and my status as an assistant professor, I'm providing a level of mentorship that goes far beyond standard tutoring. My 25 years of experience in higher education allow me to offer high-value services such as academic English coaching and PhD research mentorship. In these specialized areas, students aren't looking for a casual chat. They are seeking the security and certainty that only an established expert in language pedagogy and research can provide. Next, I would like to introduce my commitment to professional authority. To solidify this, my primary focus is my status as a professional teacher, backed by my TEFL PhD and official university badges. This distinction immediately separates my services from casual speakers and general community tutors. It sends a powerful immediate signal to serious academic students and global researchers. I am a certified expert in the field. This level of professional recognition makes me the ultimate choice for high-level university learners who require formal, high-impact results. Finally, I would like to introduce my focus on specialized research mentorship. I am dedicated to highly specific academic niche that moves beyond general English topics. By highlighting my unique background as a research reviewer and my leadership at Debre Marcos University, I target to support a dedicated audience of scholars. I emphasize mastery in research methodology and manuscript development, helping students who don't just want to speak English, but need the specific expertise required to succeed in international academic publishing and meet global standards. Thank you very much for your attention.